friends, Indrila from Moorpang Design, directly from Craft Adda, New Delhi. Uh, all the time I'm showing you saris and things to wrap around. So what to wear with the saris? So the blouses are equally important as the saris are, and if we team a blouse and a sari perfectly, then we look absolutely gorgeous, and our demeanor looks absolutely perfect. So let's see some of the blouses. I have divided this video into two parts, where the first part will have low price blouses, low cost blouses, and the second part is with the designer collection with pure handloom, handcrafted and all that. So there are two parts of the video. The first one I start, and this is the first blouse. So this is basically a Palum Jamdani material. It is a machine made Jamdani. So the design is exactly a copy of what we do it in handloom. So that's the design. And very soft and nice fabric. Very soft and nice fabric. Lovely to wear in winter. Summer wear. And this is stitched at 40, and this can go up to 44. This much of a margin. So this can go up to 44. So the price of the blouse is 1250 plus 150 shipping. 1250 plus 150 shipping. So that's blouse number 1. This is the back, and that's the sleeves. So 1250 plus 150 shipping all over India. So that's blouse number 1. Blouse number 2, this is like a short crop top. This is kind of a crop top with a beautiful cotton shibori material, lovely cotton. So like this, the front is this. So it is about 18 in length, and the back is this. I keep wearing this blouse with many of combinations. So this blouse is at 850 plus 150 shipping. 850 plus 150 shipping. I have two of these this shibori. See, beautiful shibori fabric. So this is 850 plus 150 shipping. Blouse number 3, this is an ikat material blouse. This is ikat material blouse, beautiful woven ikat fabric, lovely color, beautiful color. And the blouse is stitched at 40 and can go up to 42. The blouse is stitched at 40 and can go up to 42. So that's the front of the blouse, and that's the back of the blouse. So the blouse is priced at 1350 with proper lining and everything. You can see that. So 1350 plus shipping. 1350 plus shipping. A very beautifully concepted blouse with handloom fabric. This is an Assam gamcha. This is an Assam gamcha weave, where they take it as a stole also, angavastra also. So that's a Assam gamcha weave, and so that's the frills are there in the sleeves. So this blouse is actually 42, stitched at 42, and it can go up to 44 to 46. This can go up to 44 to 46. So this is stitched at 42, can go up to 44 to 46. And so that's the sleeves. The sleeves are around 13 inches long. It's a long blouse, about 17 inches in length. And so that's the back of the blouse. The frills are down. The price of the blouse is 1550 plus shipping. 1550 plus shipping. It's a very nice blouse with red and white combination. Another beautiful handcrafted blouse is this kantha embroidery blouse. This kantha embroidery, the front is like this. The back of the blouse is like this. The back of the blouse is like this. The kantha patchwork is there on the blouse, and it is handloom ikat fabric. So it's a nice designer kind of a blouse. 1850 is the price. 1850 and shipping extra. 150 is the shipping. All the blouses have extra 150 as shipping. So this is another very, very beautiful blouse. You can team any kind of handloom sarees with this, with this. This is a shibori chanderi blouse, chanderi cotton chanderi blouse with shibori work, cotton chanderi blouse with this hand shibori work. See, tie and dye, tie and dye. It's a Rama green kind of a shade. So yeah, this is the exact green color. I have two pieces in this blouse. Semi-stitched blouse with full lining. Semi-stitched blouse with full lining. Lining is completely there. So this is the sleeves. So the shibori work is on the sleeves and on the back. And the blouse, this blouse is priced at 950 plus shipping, plus 150 shipping. 950 plus 150 shipping. This is a machine embroidered khadi cotton blouse. This is a machine embroidered cotton, pure cotton weave blouse. The the front neckline is like this. The embroidery resembles jamdani work. The embroidery resembles our jamdani weave, the work on our jamdani weave. And so that's the front of the blouse. This is the back of the blouse. It's a very nice blouse with pura lining, with full lining. And pura cotton hai, so it's a very nice and soft blouse. So this is 1350 plus shipping. 1350 plus shipping. This is a lovely pitchwai kind of a block print. Lovely pitchwai kind of a block print on khadi cotton. This blouse is lovely pitchwai. There are few blouses which are stitched and few blouses which are semi-stitched. So this is a semi-stitched blouse, and all the semi-stitched can go up to 46. All the semi-stitched can go up to 46, and all the lengths are relatively around 16. So you can shorten the blouse, you can make it bigger, smaller, whatever you want. But it's all done, only the side stitching needed. Only the stitching needed on the side according to your shape and body structure. So this blouse is for 1250 plus shipping. This blouse is 1250 plus shipping. You can wear yellow ochre, you can wear tussar color, you can wear maroon. Beautiful one. This blouse is a Maharashtrian Koon fabric blouse. This is a Maharashtrian Koon fabric blouse. Maharashtrian Koon fabric blouse. See, it's a black and maroon combination. Black and maroon combination. So it's again a semi-stitched one. The back has this border. That back has this border. So this is the blouse border, sleeves border. So that's the blouse semi-stitched. Can go up to 46. And price is 950 plus shipping. 950 plus shipping. A beautiful ajrak kind of a block print, but not ajrak. This is not ajrak, but it's a block print basically. It's a block printed one. It's a proper nice, very nice, lovely cotton block printed blouse. With this is the front of the blouse. This is the back of the blouse with the dori, and this part is the patchwork. So that's the back of the blouse, and that's the front of the blouse. The blouse is stitched at 40, can go up to 44. So that's the blouse. It's little shorter in length, like 15.5. And the price is 1250 plus shipping. 1250 plus shipping. This is a lovely ajrak blouse. This is a lovely ajrak blouse. This is a lovely ajrak blouse. Nice, lovely ajrak combination. Nice, lovely ajrak combination. So that's the sleeves. And the design is like this at the front. The back of the blouse has this kind of a design with yellow piping and lining and everything. The whole blouse is really very pretty and nice. So this is 1250, and this is stitched at 42 and can go up to 46. Stitched at 42, go up to 46. It has huge margin. It has huge margin, go up to 46. So this is for 1250 plus shipping. 1250 plus shipping. Lovely, it's a yesteryear design with puff sleeves, and lace. So it's a white, nice crochet lace, cotton crochet lace with this kind of a sleeve. It's a puff sleeve blouse, and it's with padding It's with padding. So the size is 40. It is stitched at 40, can go up to 44. It is stitched at 40, can go up to 44. I would not recommend. 42 is fine. So it's 42, 43, you know. So because a lot of margin, actually, if you see, there are this much of a margin on the sleeves. Actually it can go up to 44 because this much of the margin on the sides. So see how much. So it's 2 inches both sides. So 4 inches anyway, it's going plus. So if it's stitched at 40, it will go to 44. So this is this is a stitched blouse. So it's 1550 plus shipping. 1550 plus shipping. It's a handloom Jamdani blouse. I have just one left today, so I'm just showing. This is a pure hand woven Jamdani, pura hand woven hai, and it's a, see the work. This is the needle Jamdani work on the sleeves. The color combination is beautiful. I have teamed with an Ajrak patchwork down, and the blouse has this lace and everything. The back of the blouse is like this. It has an Ajrak patchwork. The price of the blouse is 2250 plus shipping. So it's a big nice blouse, semi-stitched, can go up to 46 size, is going very well with my this sari also, if I actually, you know, if I actually just put it. So the sleeve length is almost this much. It's the sleeve length is this. It's very, very nice. It's a very nice and a very happening blouse. So we finished this video with this section of blouse within around up to 2000, around 2200 and all. So I'm going to get back to the new section, and thank you so much. My number is 9815 38460, and please take a screenshot and write to me. Thank you.